Hello students, in the previous video I have given 3 tricks to remember genetic code, and in the next video I have explained about how to solve questions related to genetic code using those 3 tricks. Now in this video I am going to discuss about some previous years NEET questions related to genetic code, NEET questions and other common medical entrance examinations. Okay, so first question. This question is given in NEET 2017 paper. Question is, if there are 999 bases in mRNA that codes for a protein with 333 amino acids and the base at the position 901 is deleted such that the length of RNA becomes 998 bases, how many codons will be altered? So, what is given? mRNA is given. So, this is the mRNA with 999 bases. So, this is, I am drawing mRNA, Y prime to 3 prime. This mRNA is with 999 bases totally. So, let's say till here 900 bases are there. Like this, till here 900 bases are there totally. 900 nucleotide bases are there. 900. So from here to here remaining 99 bases are there. So totally 900 plus 99, 999. Okay. So what is given in question? At 901 position, at the position 901. So this is the position 901. I am writing some nucleotide bases here from 901 like A, C, G, again G, A, like this I am writing some C, U, A, like this. I am writing some nucleotide bases from 901 position. Okay, so up to 900 position, how many codons will be there? So 900 nucleotide bases means how many codons will be there? 3 nucleotide bases together forms one triplet codon. So 900 by 3. So we get, so what we get? We get 300 codons. Now these 300 codons are not altered, because these 900 bases are not altered. So where it is altered? At 901 position it is altered. That means the base present at 901 position is deleted. Previously, before deletion, what were the triplet codons here? ACG is one triplet codon, GA is next triplet codon, ACU is next triplet codon, like this triplet codons, AUU, let's say, like this triplet codons are there. So when the base present at 901 position is deleted, then triplet codons will be CGG, like this, CGG. Next triplet codon will be AAA. Next triplet codon will be CUA, like this. Next triplet codon will be UUA, like this. All the triplet codons from this 901 position will be altered due to the deletion of this base from 901. So actually how many bases are here? 99 bases are here. 99 bases together forms how many triplet codons? Actually 33 triplet codons. So how many triplet codons will be altered? 33 triplet codons will be altered. So correct option is 33. Okay, let's discuss next question. So next question is, which of the following is the starter codon? This question is given in NEET 2016 phase 1. The starter codon is AUG. We know that starter codon is AUG. Stop codons are UGA, UAA and UAG. Okay, next. Next question. The one aspect which is not a salient feature of genetic code is its being. Its being what? Specific. Actually, genetic code is specific. Why it is specific? Because one codon codes for only one amino acid. Specific, or we say unambiguous. So this is specific. So what we need, which is not a salient feature. This is salient feature. Next, second option is degenerate. It is degenerate because one amino acid can be coded by more than one codon. So this is also correct. Next, coming to ambiguous. Actually, genetic code is unambiguous. Unambiguous because there is no ambiguity that a codon codes for this amino acid or that amino acid. Suppose AUG is there. AUG codes for methionine only. UUU codes for phenylalanine only. UUU does not code for any other amino acid except phenylalanine. So, UUU is very specific, that what it is going to code for, to which amino acid it is going to code for. So, it is specific or unambiguous. There is no ambiguity. So, here what is given? Ambiguous, not salient feature we need. Genetic code is anyway universal. Universal means if UUU codes for phenylalanine in the genetic code history of bacteria, that is prokaryotic cell, the same UUU triplet codon codes for the same amino acid phenylalanine even in eukaryotic cells. So it is universal. So the correct option, not salient feature, is ambiguous. This question is given in AAPMT Prelims 2009 paper. Next question. Whose experiments cracked the DNA and discovered unequivocally that a genetic code is a triplet? For this, answer is fourth option, Marshall-Nirenberg. Actually, Hershey and Chase have given unequivocal proof that the DNA is genetic material. So, we should not get confused with this word, unequivocal proof. So, they have given unequivocal proof for DNA as genetic material. So, this is incorrect option. Morgan is father of experimental genetics. Sturtevant is student of Morgan, who has given gene mapping based on the experiments of Morgan. Next, Beadle and Tatum have given one gene, one enzyme hypothesis by doing some work on Neurospora, the fungus, and E. coli. Next, Marshall-Nirenberg. Marshall-Nirenberg his experiments were cracked that the genetic code is triplet. This is mentioned in NCERT very clearly. I will show you that NCERT line. So here it is mentioned that Marshall-Nirenberg's cell-free system for protein synthesis finally helped the code to be deciphered. So Marshall-Nirenberg. Next, coming to the next question. Next question. Which one of the following pairs? Which one of the following pairs of codons is correctly matched with their function or the signal for the particular amino acid? So, which one is correctly matched? Here two codons are given in first option. UUA, UCA codes for leucine. Actually, leucine, where it is present, I have given you amino acids, columns, in which column it is present, in which box it is present. Leucine is present in first column. So, first column means center base is U. But here center base is given as C. Let's see leucine where it is present. Already in previous video I have given all these amino acids, columns and all. So, leucine codes for 4. Leucine is an amino acid coded by 4 triplet codons present in first box and second box. So, leucine. That means center base is U but not C. Here it is given as C. So, this is wrong. Next, coming to alanine. Alanine amino acid is present in second column. Second column, first box. All the 4 triplet codons code for serine. Next, in second column, second box. All the 4 triplet codons of second box code for proline. Third box codes for threonine. Last box codes for, fourth box codes for alanine. So center base is C. C. Here what is given in this options? Center base is C here, but here U is given. So wrong. Next, stop codons. Stop codons already I gave you. UAA, UAG and UGA are stop codons. So this is the correct option. Next, coming to fourth option, AUG is the initiator codon or start codon which codes for methionine. But ACG is not the initiator codon. So the correct option is UAG. So like this, when we read a topic or a concept or a chapter, generally students, they have to read it perfectly. Once the reading of a topic or chapter is completed, you have to solve the objectives related to that topic or that chapter. And after solving the objectives, then you have to go for the previous year NEET papers or any other medical entrances papers like AAPMT, AIMS papers, and you have to solve the questions related to that topic or the chapter. Then only you can remember that topic perfectly. Thank you, students.